What's happening, guys? This is a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Pretty good looking vehicle. But if you just bought a Jeep of recent vintage and you're wondering how to turn on the fog lights, as you know, a lot of them have bumper fog lights here, or your stock fog lights if they're down below, and you're wondering how do you turn them on, if they are wired through the stock light system. Here's what you do. Alright, right here. To turn them on at all, like that'd be parking lights, headlights, high beam, like that. But to turn the fog light, just pull out right there. Pull that guy out. Lights are on. I know many people think that's probably very elementary of how it's done, but if you just got the vehicle or you're in a rental or something and you just have no idea, there you go, because a lot of vehicles, they'll have it, somewhere else. Nope, it's right there on the end. Pew. There you go. Check out my channel. I got hundreds of videos on cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motocross bikes, golf carts, how to fix things, driving around Atlanta, Harley Davidsons, classic cars, all kinds of stuff. So check out the channel. Like, subscribe, follow. You'll have a great day.